Originally opened on the 3rd of April 1876 as the temporary southern terminus of the Birmingham West Suburban Railway, Bournville station originally started out named Sturchley Street, opening as a single platform with a later added runaround loop installed. When the infamous Cadbury Bournville factory was opened in 1879, the station was renamed Sturchley Street and Bournville in 1880, and thanks to improved connections southbound on the Cross-City line in 1885 with the opening of the junction at Kings Norton, the track was doubled on its entire length with the line extended into Birmingham New Street, and in 1904 the station was finally renamed to Bournville. So what are today's destinations? Well, if you go southbound, you go to the two Cross-City line terminuses of Redditch and Bromsgrove, as well as further destinations to Worcester, Hereford, and then cross-country services down to the southwest and Cardiff Central. Whereas trains to the north go into Birmingham New Street Station and then further afield to all destinations north of the country, such as Liverpool, Manchester, Scotland, even the cross-city terminuses of Lichfield, Trent Valley and Four Oaks. This is the penultimate filming session of the day, filmed between 1409 and 1509 on the 12th of September 2020. So, if you're sitting comfortably, let's begin with 323-242 and 323-201, working the 1408 West Midlands Railway service from Bromsgrove to Lichfield, Trent Valley. Next down are 323-209 and 323-215, working the 1415 West Midlands Railway service from Lichfield, Trent Valley to Bromsgrove. As they sent 1V56 down the Camp Hill line, the next train in is 323-221 and 323-208, working the 1428 West Midlands Railway service from Four Oaks to Redditch. Getting ready to depart 323-204 and 323-222, working the 1428 West Midlands Railway service from Redditch to Four Oaks. Next, flying through the station 170-104, working 1M99 from Cardiff Central through to Nottingham. And coming around the corner at a bit more of a serene pace, 170-110, working 1 Victor 10 from to Nottingham to Cardiff Central. Next train out is 323-205 and 323-220, working the 1438 West Midlands Railway service from Bromsgrove to Lichfield, Trent Valley. Next through for cross country 220-004 and 221-121, working 1 Sierra 49 from Plymouth to Newcastle. Next down 323-206 and 323-207, working the 1446 West Midlands Railway service from Lichfield, Trent Valley to Bromsgrove. Another pair of turbos flying north now is 175.09 and 175.10. Work 1 Mike 67 from Hereford to Birmingham New Street. And as that flies through the station, 323-211 and 323-241 arrive with the 1456 West Midlands Railway service from Four Oaks to Redditch. Another dual unit in this video now is 323-212 and 323-219. Depart with 1458 West Midlands Railway service from Redditch to Four Oaks. And behind it, 175.08 and 175.13. Working 1 Victor 29 from Birmingham New Street down to Hereford. And here comes our train in the form of 323-215 and 323-208, working the 1508 West Midlands Railway service from Bromsgrove to Lichfield, Trent Valley. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed what you saw, click on the 2 videos here at the end screen. Helps out the channel. Also, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you are new and got this far. And we'll see you all in the next video, folks, wherever that may take us. We'll see you then, folks.